Welcome to Device Lab. Today, we'll be examining the best mechanical keyboards. The Razer Blackwidow V4X is a formidable choice for gamers who need robust control and responsive feedback. Equipped with Razer green mechanical switches, it provides a clicky, tactile experience that's both satisfying and precise, crucial for gaming and typing alike. The keyboard is built to last with tough double-shot ABS keycaps designed to withstand heavy use without wearing down the labeling. This keyboard also includes 6 programmable macro keys, allowing users to execute complex commands with ease, enhancing gameplay and productivity. Despite its many advantages, the keyboard isn't without its drawbacks. Some users might find the clicky switches too loud, especially in a shared space. Additionally, the absence of wireless connectivity could be a limiting factor for those preferring a cleaner, cable-free setup. Overall, this model strikes a fine balance between performance, durability, and aesthetics, with its customizable chroma RGB lighting that syncs with gameplay and multiple integrated titles. It's an excellent choice for gamers looking to enhance their setup. To find out more about this model, check out the Amazon link provided in the video description. The Corsair K70 Core is a solid choice for gamers and typists alike who are seeking a high-performance mechanical keyboard with smooth, responsive keystrokes. This model is equipped with pre-lubricated Corsair red linear mechanical switches, known for their smooth and quiet operation. It offers a range of features that can enhance gameplay, including programmable macros and adjustable tilt functions. The inclusion of sound dampening foam adds to the appeal by reducing noise, making it ideal for both intense gaming sessions and work environments. One potential drawback for some users might be the wired-only configuration, which can limit setup flexibility compared to wireless options. Also, while the ABS keycaps are durable, they may not feel as premium as PBT keycaps found on some other high-end keyboards. Overall, this model shines with its robust build and thoughtful features like customizable RGB lighting and the convenient multifunction rotary dial, enhancing both productivity and gaming experiences. The Corsair K65 Plus wireless mechanical keyboard is a compact powerhouse, tailored for both dedicated gamers and productivity enthusiasts. Its 75% layout makes it an excellent space saver without sacrificing functionality. It's equipped with Corsair MLX red linear switches, which are known for their smooth, responsive keystrokes, and the switches are pre-lubricated to enhance this feel further. The keyboard also features 2 layers of sound dampening foam to reduce noise during typing, making it suitable for both gaming and quiet office environments. However, potential drawbacks include the absence of a palm rest, which may affect comfort during extended use, and the reliance on software for some customizations, which might be cumbersome for some users who prefer more straightforward plug-and-play devices. Overall, this model is a versatile choice for those who value both portability and performance. Its robust build, combined with extensive customization options via the Corsair iQ software, makes it a solid investment for serious gamers and typists alike. This model is designed to cater to both Windows and Mac users, offering wide compatibility and ease of use with multiple connectivity options. Ready to buy or curious about the cost? Check out the link in the video description. The ASUS ROG Azoth stands out as a high-end gaming keyboard that packs DIY features into a compact and customizable package. It boasts a 75% form factor, making it more compact than full-size keyboards while still offering a robust set of features. The keyboard's construction includes a metal top cover and silicone gasket mount, providing a stable and quiet typing experience enhanced by 3 layers of dampening foams. Its hot swappable ROG NX mechanical switches are pre-lubricated for smooth, consistent keystrokes and are accompanied by a switch lube kit for further customization. One potential downside for some users could be the complexity of features that cater more to enthusiast-level users who enjoy customizing their setup. Additionally, while the keyboard's robust build and premium materials justify its price, it may be on the higher end for those just seeking basic features. Overall, this model stands out in the gaming keyboard market with its robust build quality, advanced features like the OLED display for real-time notifications, and customizable settings. This keyboard is particularly suitable for gamers or typists looking for a high-quality, compact keyboard with extensive features and customization options. The ASUS ROG Claymore 2 is a high-end gaming keyboard known for its exceptional versatility and performance. This model features a modular design, allowing the numpad to be attached to either side of the keyboard or removed entirely, which is ideal for gamers and typists needing a more compact setup. Equipped with ROG RX optical mechanical switches, the keyboard provides a fast, precise response with options for both tactile and clicky feedback, enhancing the gaming experience. However, some users might find the Claymore 2's price point a bit steep, considering the premium features and modular capabilities it offers. Additionally, while the keyboard supports both wired and wireless connections, it can only connect wirelessly via its included dongle, lacking direct Bluetooth connectivity, which might limit its versatility compared to other high-end gaming keyboards. Overall, this model excels with its customizable setup, extensive feature set, including on-the-fly macro recording, and robust build quality. It's particularly suited for gamers who appreciate a tactile and responsive keyboard with the flexibility to adapt to different gaming or working environments. Discover more about this product by visiting the link in the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to keep up with future content. And feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, happy exploring!